Naples Central Station receives around 150,000 people and 400 trains every day. The station is of crucial importance within the Italian railway system. Through the Graphisoft authoring program used to carry out the entire project, we have exported the whole 3D model in KMZ format, uploaded on Google Earth from where it is easily visible and easily explorable. Firstly, the whole area was surveyed using laser scanners and orbital pictures. Despite it being a pilot project, it presented many of the characteristics of a typical large-scale project. The site encompasses 5 main buildings and extends over a total area of 400,000 square meters, dedicated to train traffic, passenger flow, roof, shops, and other services. The size of the resulting point cloud was 380 gigabytes. To facilitate the management of such a big point cloud, the site was partitioned in small cubes, each being assigned to a designer. The BIM pilot project carried out for Naples Central Station represents a world-class example of how BIM methodology can be integrated to support the management of pre-existing facilities. In particular, the project tested the implementation of BIM methodology for the analysis and reconstruction of the existing conditions, maintenance management, and asset management. The pilot was requested by RFI and supported by Grandi Stazioni Rail Company. The designers then modeled the station by comparing and combining the survey data, the existing drawings, and the census outcome. All the input data and the output models were organized in a common data environment, also known as CDE. Thanks to the authoring ArchiCAD program, the use of teamwork functions, and BIM Cloud, we have federated 44 models, importing them into the Solibri software in IFC format. All the data fields of the equipment are complete of all necessary information. The BIM authoring tool was then set to automatically calculate and update component properties, such as location code. Within the station complex, around 12,500 components need regular maintenance, including electrical, HVAC, hydraulic, and safety and security systems. the mapping between ArchiCAD and IFC was established, the models were exported in IFC and imported in the Asset Information Model of the CDE. The assets managed by the customer were automatically recognized in the models and reconciliated with both the equipment and locations managed in systems, applications, and products in data processing, also known as SAP, as well as the components recognized by the census. The 2B processes are further supported on-field through the use of a mobile application directly connected to the CDE and allowing remote access to its data. In this project, there have been 300 real equipments connected to their twin virtual objects, which have been included in the 3D model by tagging them with a barcode. The Asset Information Model, properly linked with existing information, was then exploited to support maintenance processes. Given the extent of the site, the complexity of the models, and the numerous processes potentially performed, the BIM pilot project for Naples Central Station indeed represents a pioneer project in the field of BIM for asset and maintenance management.